When you log into the Cloudspire Voice portal, your current present status is shown right next to your name in the top navigation bar. Click the Team button to see who's available across your entire organization in real time. The sidebar shows each team member with their current status. Green means available, yellow means away, red means busy or in a meeting, and gray means offline. To change your own status, click on your status dot in the top navigation bar. Choose a status from the list, add an optional custom message, and set an expiry time if you'd like. Click Set Status when you're done. Your new status is now visible to your entire team. They'll see it in the sidebar and next to your name anywhere in the portal. That's all there is to it.